Good morning, students. Let's revise the topic of multiples and factors that we discussed in the live classes. Let's start with the multiples. As I told you, whenever we multiply two numbers, the product is called the multiple. For example, here on the screen you can see 5 multiplied by 3 is equals to 15, 5 multiplied by 6 is equals to 30, 5 multiplied by 4 is 20, and 5 multiplied by 7 is equals to 35. So that means 15, 20, 30, 35. All of them are the multiples of 5 as we are getting all these numbers by multiplying 5 with some other number. We got these numbers by multiplying different numbers by 5. So in other words, we can say 15, 20, 30, 35 comes in the table of 5. Thus, 15, 20, 30, 35 are the multiples of 5. To understand it better, let's take another example. If we further multiply 5 with some more numbers like 10. So I get 5 multiplied by 10, 50. Similarly, 5 multiplied by 33 gives me 165. 5 multiplied by 1000 is 5000. 5 multiplied by 12 is 60. So I got 50, 165, 5000 and 60 by multiplying 5 with some other numbers. So all these numbers will be called the multiples of 5 because we got these numbers by multiplying different numbers by 5. Now when I say 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20, so 20 is a multiple of 5 as it comes in table of 5, or we got it by multiplying 5 with another number, right? So multiples means multiple of a given number means the numbers which are coming in its table or the numbers which we get by multiplying it with some other number. Now to understand its third definition, let's divide 20 by 5. Now when I divide 20, which is a multiple of 5, by 5, I get remainder 0. It means 20 is completely divisible by 5. So we can say that multiples are those numbers which are completely divisible by the given number. So when I'm looking for the multiple of 5, I'm looking for those numbers which are completely divisible by 5. As here in this example, you can say that 20 is divisible. That means 20 can be divided into 5 equal parts and the remainder will be 0. So 20 is divisible by 5 because 5 times 4 gives 20. So in other words, we can say that 20 is a multiple of 5 as it is divisible by 5. So we can summarize that all numbers which comes in tables of 5 are the multiples of 5 as they all are divisible by 5. So finally, we can say that multiples can be defined as numbers divisible by given number or product of given number with other number or simply the numbers that come in the table of given numbers. So multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 as per the multiplication tables. But if we keep multiplying 5 with various numbers, the list of multiples will not end. So this implies that multiples are uncountable because we can keep on multiplying 5 with as big number as we want, and this list of multiples will never end. So this comes to and it also tells us the second property of multiples, that we cannot find the largest multiple of a number. Now to understand properties of multiples, let's take some examples. Here multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Similarly, multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. Now in above examples, the first multiple is the number itself. Like multiple of 4 is 4, multiple of 6 is 6 and multiple of 10 is 10, the first multiple. So we can also say that smallest multiple of a number is the number itself, or any number is a multiple of itself. Another thing that we notice that all the multiples are either equal or greater than the given number. As here you can see the multiples of 4 are greater than 4, that is 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. Similarly, multiples of 6 are greater than 6. Now let's come to understand the factors. Now when I say 5 multiplied by 4 is 20 and 20 is a multiple of 5 as it comes in table of 5, I can also say that 5 is the factor of 20. 20 is a multiple whereas 5 is a factor of 20. Similarly, when I say 4 multiplied by 5 is 20, so 20 is a multiple of 4 as it is coming in table of 4. But what is 4? 4 is a factor of 20. Now here in this example, you can get the complete picture of factors and multiples. So finally, we can conclude that when I say 5 multiplied by 4 is 20, so in this case, 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5, whereas 5 and 4 are the factors of 20. So whenever we are multiplying, the product that we get is the multiple. The bigger number that we are getting is a multiple, whereas the two multiplicands, the two small numbers that we are multiplying are the factors of the product, right? Now let's understand it further. When I say 5 4 is 20, so 5 and 4 are the factors of 20 as 20 comes in table of 5 and 4. Or we can also say that 20 is divisible by 4 and 5. Whenever you will divide 20 by 4, I will get quotient as 5, and if you divide 20 by 5, I get quotient as 4, and in both the cases the remainder is 0. So this implies that 20 is completely divisible by 4 and 5. So to find the factors of a number, we have to simply look for the numbers by which it is divisible. That means if I am looking for the factors of 20, I am looking for the numbers which completely divides 20. So in this case, I have 4 and 5, but others factor of 20 are 2 and 10, because if you divide 20 by 2, it is possible to divide it by 2. Similarly, 20 is divisible by 10 as 2 tens are 20. And also factors of 20 are 1 and 20, as 20 is divisible by 1 as well as 20 because it comes in table of 1, or we can say it comes in the table of 20. 20 times 1 is 20. Now let's to understand it better, let's take some more example. Let's try to find out the factors of 36. Now when we are finding the factors of 36, we will see 36 comes in table of which numbers or which numbers divides it completely. Like here, we know 36 comes in table of 1, 1 times 36 is 36. It also comes in table of 2, 2 times 18 is 36. It comes in table of 3 because 3 12s are 36. It comes in table of 4, 4 times 9 is 36. 36 also comes in table of 6, 6 times 6 is 36. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So this way you can keep on checking that 36 comes in the table of which numbers. But when here I reach 6, 6 is 36, then I go and check whether it comes in table of 7 or not. It doesn't come. 8, no it doesn't come. 9, so you can see the repetition has started. It has started going 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So that means we have found all the factors of 36. So finally the list of factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now similarly, let's try to find out the factors of 72. We will again look for the numbers in whose table 72 comes, or which numbers divides it completely. Now 72 comes in table of 1, 1 times 72. It comes in table of 2, 2 times 36 is 72. 3 times 24 is 72. 4 times 18 is 72. 8 times are 72. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 18, 24, 36 and 72. So all these numbers are the factors of 72. Now to understand the Properties of factors. Let's take the examples again. Just now we calculated factors of 36. Similarly, factors of 72. Now factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 12. And factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20, because 20 comes in table of all these numbers. 1 times 20 is 20, 2 tens are 20 and 4 fives are 20. Now in all these examples, the first factor is always 1. As you can see, it is marked with red. In all of them, the common thing that you can see is that 1 is the first factor of all the numbers. In fact, we can say the smallest factor of any number is 1, because 1 is the number in whose table all the numbers can come. That means all numbers are divisible by 1. Or we can say 1 is a factor of every number. And also, if you will see the last factor of every number, like factors of 36, largest factor is 36, largest factor of 72 is 72, largest factor of 12 is 12, and largest factor of 20 is 20. So we can say any number is a factor of itself. 36 will definitely be the factor of itself. 72 will definitely be the factor of 72. In fact, the largest factor of a given number is the number itself. And another thing that you will notice that factors are either equal or smaller than the given number. Like here, the factors of 20 are less than 20 or equals to 20. 20, 10, 5, 4, 2, 1. All of them are less than 20. And another very important property of factor is that factors are limited. We studied about multiples. Multiples are unlimited. It's not possible to find the largest multiple. But factors are limited. So I hope children you have understood the multiples and factors. I'm sharing one assignment with you. You are requested to do this assignment in your notebook. Solve the fill-ups and try to find out the multiples and factors of given number and ask your doubt in the next class. Thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend and happy Raksha Bandhan. Thank you so much.